23ABC's Digital Update is brought to you by West Medical.
I'm Mike Hart. Here's a look at what we're following on this Friday. County health officials have updated local cases when it comes to the demographics for the first time in months. Today's COVID chart indicates the 65 and older age bracket locally continues to have the lowest number of positive tests with the highest number of deaths. The county dashboard now reporting 444 of the 658 total local deaths are in residents 65 and over. That represents 67% of all COVID-related deaths. There are also now less than 9,000 cases in that age group out of the more than 96,000 total coronavirus cases. Hispanics make up 60% of all fatalities. Also, only 17 of the total number of deaths involved people with no pre-existing conditions. Hypertension and diabetes alone were contributing factors in more than 450 of those deaths. Today's numbers updated on the dashboard, 8 more added to the total. That pushes the total number to 658. The number of hospitalized people actually fell more to 161. There were also 521 new positive tests, lifting that total number of cases to more than 96,500. Patients in the 18 to 49 age group made up 58,000 of those cases, with 69 deaths. You know, in other news, we may not have had the weather we did this week like we did last week, but it's not stopping Alta Sierra from opening up. The ski resort says it'll be open tomorrow and Sunday. COVID restrictions are in place. You have to buy tickets ahead of time. They will not be sold at the mountain. The lifts will start running at 9. The mountain closes at 4. All right, what kind of weather can we expect? Let's bring in Elena Rusk at a check of that weekend forecast.
Well, good morning. So that high pressure building onshore, leaving us sunny and stable, a little stagnant, a little foggy, but plenty of beautiful temperatures out there and only some moderate air quality, but we know it starts getting worse heading into the weekend with sunshine and stability like this. Those low 60s, fairly seasonal. Average for this time of year is 60. We're at 62 for Bakersfield, 64 in Kernville. Those 50s in Tehachapi and Fraser Park come with a bit of a healthy breeze, which is typical, but keeps you in your sweaters all day. Down into the desert, almost t-shirt weather there, especially with several hours in the 60s this afternoon, and we keep building for the weekend ahead, pushing close to those 70s by the end of the weekend into early next week. There are some fresh breezes on Wednesday to cool us down, maybe bring a chance of rain, and then we'll recover nicely right back to those 60s next weekend.
And that's a look at some of the stories we're following at this hour. Don't forget, you can always get breaking news, weather, and traffic on the go, anywhere, anytime, by downloading our free mobile and tablet apps. Have a great weekend.